Hello, I am SP Singh, PRT of Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Imphal, Lamphel. Today, I'll be taking up a topic of class 5 EVS from chapter number 1, Super Senses, and the name of the topic is Sounds Send Messages, and this is module number 7. What you will learn at the end of this presentation. Number 1, you will learn animals warn others of dangers by making a special warning call. Number 2, birds also give alarm calls to warn about the danger. Number 3, fishes give alarm call by electric signals. Number 4, many animals have a special language of their own. Number 5, some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. Number 6, some animals understand our language. These are the points what you learn at the end of this presentation. Well, before starting my lesson, let me ask you some questions. First, observe this video and find out what is happening. So the questions are, what is the name of this animal? Yes, it is rooster. Then what is the rooster doing? Yes, the rooster was making alarm, a warning sound to inform danger to other chickens. My next question is, do birds and animals give alarm calls to warn about a danger? Yes, they do. Then today we shall learn about the topic sounds send messages. So today we will start with the first activity. Activity number 1 is we will see a video, and in this we will see what are the animals doing in this video.
And there was a sneeze like that comes from a lychee, that probably the lychee listened to the baboon or the monkey as it made that alarm call. It started looking around, and immediately it spots the danger, it will start to alarm call. So they usually will not just alarm call out of doubt. It's usually after they have seen a predator that they will start making their sound. You get baboons, you get impalas, you get zebras do make a sound. Most of the birds like francolins, they do make some alarm calls that we like to listen to. That will
Again, let us do another activity. Activity number 2. Here in this you'll see some pictures. What you will do is you will observe these pictures and record what these animals are doing. So you have seen all the 3 pictures, and from this what you can say is that high up on the trees, langurs warn others of dangers like a tiger or leopard. The langur does this by making a special warning call. This is what we have seen in the last video as well as in these three pictures. So in continuation to our activity number 2, let us observe the following given picture and one video and see what these birds are doing. See the video very carefully. So here, birds also give alarm calls to warn about a danger. Some birds even have different sounds for different kinds of dangers. For example, there is a different warning call if the enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. Let us see one more video.
Hi. Hello. Sneaking around behind me. Oh. She's seeing. Danger sound. What'd you see? Oh, they ahead. I see it. I see it. I don't see it. I don't know. Okay, what is it? Let's look. I don't see anything. She sees some danger. You're being a good mom. They're hiding. They're hiding. Good mom. Is it safe yet? I don't see anything. I don't see what she sees. I think she sees. Is it all clear? Is it all clear? The babies are hiding. Is it all clear? It must be all clear. Alright, I guess we're good. Oh, that was a close one. Going to the grass. We got a couple more. It's not all of them, is it? All right, Mom. I guess I'll let you go. I'm not drawing attention. All right. Hi, guys.
So there have been turkeys living on a street for a few years. The mother sees some danger in the skies and warns her babies. Later she gives the OK signal and they all come out. Now let us do the activity number 3. Observe and see what the fishes are doing.
Electric eels are a type of fish. Underwater, where light is scarce, electrical signals offer ways to communicate, navigate, and find, plus in rare cases stun, prey.
So we have seen that fishes give alarm call by electric signals. Next activity number 4. Here what you will do is you will observe the video and find out the behavior of some of the animals.
It's some time. Can animals predict natural disasters?
I don't know, dude.
Alright, I'll explain. It is believed that animals can hear certain sounds or detect certain changes prior to disasters and thus perceive the upcoming danger.
But how, dude?
The initial activities which lead to earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. create infrasounds which arrive faster than the main shock wave. These sounds are inaudible to humans, but animals like flamingos, elephants, rhinoceros, etc. can hear them. Thus, they perceive the coming danger and probably escape. It is also said that the Earth's magnetic field slightly deflects before an earthquake. It is suspected that dogs detect this deflection and thus predict the arriving disaster. Some researchers also think that birds can foresee the approaching storm or tornado because they detect changes in atmospheric pressure, wind speeds, temperature, etc. Hence, they fly away to a safer place.
So you have seen here from this video that some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come, and the people who live in forests can observe such behavior of animals and come to know of the danger. Now let us observe the given picture given below and read the story. In December 2004, few tribes that live in the forests of the Andaman Islands noticed the animals behaving in a different manner. They guessed some danger, so they moved away to a safer part of the island. And soon after, the islands were hit by the tsunami, but these people were safe. Let us do activity number 6. Here in this activity, what you will do is that you will observe and identify the sound of dolphins. So please listen very carefully. So what we have said here? Yes, dolphins also make different sounds to give messages to each other, and the scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. Now let me ask a question. Can you understand the sounds of some animals? And if so, which animals? Yes, the sound of the animals can be understood. The animals with sounds such as cow, with moose, dog with barks, cat with mews, chicken with clucks, and horse with neighs can express the feelings, mood of the animals. Let me also ask another question. The question is, do some animals understand your language? Which ones? Yes, on training or spending some time with certain animals, they start understanding our language. And these are animals like parrot, monkeys, and dogs, etc. Now let us see a very beautiful video. You will see here how the animals are talking. In this particular video, you'll see how the ravens are talking.
So ravens are excellent at mimicking sounds they hear. Mischief, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good bird. He does all sorts of voices. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good job. And sometimes he hears people who have a cold. Good job, Mischief. Can you say hello? No. Hello. He's all excited. About hi.
Hi.
Good boy. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
This isn't working out, Daniel. Good bird.
So what facts have we learned today? The first thing is birds and animals give alarm calls to warn others about dangers. Number two, animals have a special language of their own. Then the third fact which we have learned is fishes give alarm call by electric signals. Number four, some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. And the last point what we have learned is that some animals understand our language. Well, we have learned the Malaysian sounds and messages. So let me ask you some questions to check whether you have learned the facts or not. The first question is nothing but you have to fill in the blanks. And the first statement is, birds also give alarm calls to warn about the blank. So you just tell me the answer for this. So the answer is, birds also give alarm calls to warn about the danger. The answer should be danger. Correct. Next, fishes give alarm calls by blank signals. What should be the answer here? I repeat, fishes give alarm calls by blank signals. The answer here should be fishes give alarm call by electric signals. The third one is some animals start behaving in different way when an blank or blank is about to come. We have two blanks here. So I repeat, some animals start behaving in a different way when a blank or blank is about to come. The answer is some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. Correct. Now let me go to the next one. That is, dolphins also make different blank to give messages to each other. What should be the answer? Yes, the answer is dolphins also make different sounds to give messages to each other. And we have another one more for fill in the blanks. Scientists believe that many animals have a blank language of their own. What should be the answer? The answer should be like this. Scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. Now let me move to the next question. That is, can you understand the sounds of some animals? Which animals? Yes, we can understand the sound of some animals like dog, cow, cat, parrot, etc. The last question is, do some animals understand your language? Which ones? Yes, some animals like elephant, dog, parrot, if we stay along with them or if we train them, they could understand our language. So you have learned a lot, and let me finish for here for today. So for your homework, I am giving you this assignment. Say it with sounds. Just like birds and dolphins, you can also make your own language of sounds for giving messages. Remember, you have to talk to your friends with only sounds and no words. And how and when you will need to give an alarm call. For example, when the teacher is coming to the classroom. Enjoy with the home assignment, and we'll see you again in the next module number 8. Thank you. If you have any questions to ask or query, please contact me through this mobile number 9863286849 or my email fullansing@yahoo.co.in. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.